Time for the old dollar store easy off engine wash. So I like to just kind of get this stuff on there everywhere. I'll come back and I'll plug up those holes before we actually wash it. But yeah, I just like to get this stuff on there. It does a pretty good job for what we're trying to do. Anyway, I'm sure you get the idea. Okay. Okay, well, there you have it. All right, I'm gonna get this place cleaned up, and maybe I'll spray down this driving pad here, but this is gonna be so much nicer to work on as opposed to the garbage I had, right? So, you know, I'm filthy enough as it is. I really don't need to get filthier, just moving this thing around. So while I have it apart, I will give her a fresh coat of paint. Like I say, we're going to get in here and we're going to do the timing chain and cam. Possibly the heads. I haven't quite decided yet. I haven't sold myself on it. Anyway, she's clean. She's ready to go. Let's see what she can do. Okay. All right, I gotta get this area cleaned up. No one's gonna clean it for me. I tried.